If you're new to PC gaming and want to learn how to use Steam for beginners, this video will walk you through the basics step by step. Steam is one of the most popular platforms for finding, buying, downloading, and managing games on your computer, and once you understand the layout, it becomes very easy to use. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech guides just like this. Now let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to the Steam store. You can do that by visiting store.steampowered.com. Once the page loads, log into your account. If you already have a Steam account, just sign in with your username and password. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account first before you can start browsing or adding games. After you're signed in, you'll land on the Steam homepage, and this is where most of your browsing and shopping begins. At the top of the page, you'll notice the main menu. Steam keeps everything organized here, so it's important to understand what each section does. The store option is where you go when you want to find games. This is the main shopping area where you can search for new releases, popular titles, free-to-play games, discounts, and bundles. The community section is where you can explore profiles, read guides, join discussions, and interact with other players. And your username at the top is where you'll find your account settings, your games, your profile, and other personal options. Next, if you already know what game you want, use the search bar in the top right corner. Just type in the name of the game and press enter. Steam will show you matching results, and you can click on the correct one to open its store page. This is one of the fastest ways to find a specific title, especially if you're looking for a game you heard about from a friend, a streamer, or a review. Once you open a game page, you'll see all the important information about that game. Steam usually shows screenshots, trailers, descriptions, system requirements, reviews, and pricing. Take a moment to look through the page before buying or downloading anything. If the game is free, you'll usually see a play game button. Clicking that starts the process of adding it to your library and downloading it. If the game is paid, you'll see an add to cart button instead. From there, you can continue through checkout if you want to purchase it. If you're just starting out, it's a good idea to browse a little before buying. Steam has a huge library, and not every game will be right for every PC. Checking the reviews and system requirements can save you time and money. It also helps you avoid buying a game that your computer might struggle to run. Steam makes that information easy to find, so use it before you make your decision. Now let's talk about your account and your library. If you click your username at the top, then choose Games, you can see the games that are already added to your account. This is your personal library. From here, you can install games you own, launch games that are already installed, and keep track of everything in one place. If you've ever wondered where your Steam games are after buying them, this is the section to check. You can also click your username and choose View My Profile. This opens your public profile page, where you can edit your profile picture, display name, bio, and privacy settings. This is useful if you want to control who can see your activity, your game library, or your friends list. For beginners, it's a good idea to review your privacy settings early so your account is set up the way you want. Another smart tip for using Steam is to wait for sales when possible. Steam runs major discounts throughout the year, and a lot of games go on sale for much cheaper than full price. If you're not in a rush, keeping an eye on seasonal sales can help you build your game library without spending too much. This is one of the best habits new Steam users can learn. As you get more comfortable, you'll find that Steam is actually very simple to navigate. The store helps you discover games, the community tools help you connect with other players, and your profile settings help you manage your account. Once you know where everything is, the platform becomes much easier to use every day. So to recap, open the Steam store, log in, use the top menu to explore store, community, and your account, search for games with the search bar, open the game page to install free games or buy paid ones, check your library under your username, and review your profile settings when needed. And don't forget to watch for sales so you can get games at better prices. If this video helped you understand how to use Steam for beginners, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover how to install games, add friends, or use Steam downloads next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.